Or maybe, if I understand this separation is deeper, maybe psychological? Yes, at some degree. Because you open the collection, especially if you use a different styling, different theme, it's, oh, I know this is the medicine collection. This is not pleasure. You shift the mindset. But you anticipating that the time you allocated, the Parkinson law, that if I allocated 2 hours, you know since the start that those will be 2 hours of dreadful and boring time. Unlike if you do interleaving, you don't know. Could be 10%, or could be some cases here and there that, okay, not a big deal. It's not medicine, it's something I enjoy, but nothing out of the ordinary. And could be the, oh wow, like aha moment that this sparks your learning drive. But then you kill it right after it because you continue with medicine. So the analogy is, imagine you're being charged in a, I don't know. So let's go with this one. So they are pulling you the extremities to create pain, physical pain. But you know what? After 10 minutes, they will release you. They will let you eat whatever you want for 5 minutes, watch Netflix for 10 minutes, and you will endure pain and repeat this for 2 hours again. It's okay, yeah, I have breaks of enjoyment, but what's the point if I'm suffering anyways? I'm just interrupting this suffering. So it doesn't make sense, right? And the last comment, and he seems, by the picture, he seems a doctor, to be a doctor. Man, your channel has really opened my eyes. I have been on the Supermemo journey by myself for a while now. It all started with learning Japanese, one of the cliches, and my experience as well. We think we are alike, and it's obvious to me that we also consume Piotr's articles like crazy. So much that you have integrated into your being. Yes, I agree so far. You inspire me to give the tool a proper shot, to stay true to the principles and enjoy learning. Because I also need a solution for getting through my studies without ruining my curiosity in line drive. Yeah, you can know that this person has read articles from Piotr Wozniak. And that's the thing. Once you know the free learning, you become aware of the true paradigm of free learning. But you are in the school system, you are in the Prussian system, the other paradigm. You have to coexist. It's okay, I tolerate this because I want a certificate to be a doctor, to exercise medicine. But at the same time, I know that this, going through this grinding, can kill my land drive.